说没下去，我去干了，儿子我呢，我们学校。
Select the trees and make a cut mark and pronouncing blessings. A Lokdram is considered to be a male or female entity and given name by village elders believed to have been revealed in tree. Preparation and installing of Lokdrams takes a week long or month, accompanied by ritual and feast at village. In the olden days, during pulling of Lokdram, visitors or travelers are forbidden from visiting within the village jurisdiction. Defaulters or offenders faces a punishment by putting his or her belongings inside the log and beats and faces the consequences, believing that a person's life longevity is shortened. The women folks are forbidden to come outside and stay locked inside within the kitchen for the reason that it feels shy and doesn't move in the village purposes. Tririna Kilung Yanbu Tritz Arshaki Sangmuha Kingsho Isa Chiburna Kida Adungdo Tsede Lumazamba Lade Ardo Kaga Borogon Tribal Kids Bolo the King Aucho Had Isa Chiburna Shumoda Arki Isa Chiburna Tseda Arki Kingi Nasakilim Babu Arana Asangum Kingi King Aucho